Good morning, guys! I'm here in Taipei, Taiwan. So, ayun, kagagising ko lang. Kagabi kami dumating actually, straight from Daang Mutya ng Section E cast party. Dumiretso ako dito because matagal na itong nakaplano. This is a planned out of the country trip with my high school friends. So, mga tito at tita ang kasama ko dito. I haven't seen them for quite a while kasi iba't ibang places ng mundo na kami nakatira. But, ayun, this is our first travel together post-pandemic. So, I'm really just excited. I've been friends with these titos and titas for decades already. And so, we're excited to explore Taipei. And I'm going to share with you kung anong pinanggagawa namin dito. Samahan niyo ako. But for now, kailangan ko muna mag-prepare. Wait, share ko lang view from our hotel. Ang ganda. Nasa 23rd floor kami ng Solaria ni Shitetsu. At it's in the heart of Ximending. At ito yung view at 7 a.m. in the morning. Ganda. So ito na. Naka-ready na ako. And we're about to meet our high school friends na nasa lobby ng hotel. But ito na. Ito na po ako. Same pa rin yung pants. Wow, Tito got ready with me. Same pa rin yung pants. Naka-heat-tech. Ito lang, kasi sweater weather lang naman ang Taipei. So, yun, for today, we're going to explore all of Taipei's tourist spots dito lang sa city. But more than that, we're excited because we're going to bond together, me and my high school friends. Alright. Tagal ko lang saan din nakita, guys. Baka magbibisaya kami nito dahil mga Bisaya kami. Where are they? There they are. There they are. Hello, good morning! Where's Miss Australia? Miss Australia! For my vlog! Hello, mate! How's your travel, mate?
Okay, Ra.
That's our
Kapoy
madam.
pa.
Kapoy pa. But push.
But love on.
Oh, yes. So, these are my high school friends. Janet is based in Melbourne, Perth, Australia. Ayan, si Marita, Renair, and Rika. Attorney Rika and Attorney Marita are based in Dumaguete. And of course, our CEO, Renair D. of Avion. Yeah. In Dumaguete. So, first stop, we'll meet our other high school classmates sa Ximending Station. So, ayun na nga, yung isa naming friend with his family. Hi, Rats! Hi, Alice! Hi, Amelie! Hi, Amelie! Hi, Amelie, bless! Ay, bait na bata! Morning, dogs!
Morning. Oh, puti na kayong galakaw.
There's our other classmates. They're doctors. Oh, doctor couple, Hope and Jong.
Your yummy medicine. Yummy medicine.
So ngayon naman, bumibili kami ng tickets papuntang Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall. So ang travel tip ay punta kayong 7-Eleven. Yung kailangan pumila. May 150 easy card doon. Ito yon. Collectibles pa siya kung anime fan ka. Obviously, hindi ako anime fan. Hindi ko alam kung sino to. But they look good. So ito yung pinili ko. And after that, you tap up kung ilang Taiwanese coins yung kailangan mo, ha? But sa amin 100 lang kasi may van rental naman kami for tomorrow. Wave to the camera! Day 1 in Taipei, lost in Taipei. Ayun na nga, guys. Mali yung train station na nababaan namin for Sun Yat-sen. Nakailang ano kami dito. So, ayun, dahil may 10:30 kami sa Taipei 101. Ibig sabihin nun, diretso na muna kami sa Taipei 101. And as a tito and tita, hindi na kami magte-trend, mag-u-Uber na kami. So, yun. Ay, nako. There's our Uber of ng mga lost in Taiwan on day 1. And finally, we're here. Yes, Taipei 101 guys. O, ganun talaga yung mga tito and tita. But ang importante ay chill lang. Smile, Amelie! Yeah! So si Janet yung bumili ng Taipei 101 tickets para sa lahat. Thank you, Madam Janet. Madam, paano mo nabili ang tickets natin dito? Can you explain to my audience?
Sugar Daddy.
Carefree Sugar Daddy, where did you buy it?
Klook, I used Boberol Klook.
Oh.
You can use that as a
For
discount code.
Okay, so yun, naka-discount si
Very,
Madam.
very handy.
Thank you, Madam, for treating me and using my discount code.
Ako rin ang presente.
Yeah, so this was the tallest building in the world until the Burj Khalifa was built. Just to go up. Thank you, Madam. Sheshe. So we are now going in the fastest passenger elevator for a time. I don't know ano na ngayon. Until when.
Safe rin eh, Doc.
It's a few seconds na siya. Video na rin.
Sa taas. Oo. Oh, ang bilis oh. Yung mga tenga nyo, kumusta na? Grabe. Grabe guys. Puputok na yung tenga ko guys. Tapos na. Wow.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen,
That's what you paid for.
This is what you came for. 89th floor. Oh my god. Thank you. Aren't scared? Aren't you scared? It's so high. Oh.
may time to be scared na lang.
We're on the 89th floor.
Because you're not scared?
There's the Taipei Dome. First stop supposedly. Bago kami nawala. That's when it said. Yes. But we'll go there later because for the group shot of Taipei 101, dyan daw yung pinakamagandang spot.
You can go up and down.
Yes.
88.
91. Ay, wow. Let's go around muna.
Yeah, let's go around muna.
So, ayun, so guys, dito kami sa Taipei 101, but aside from the views, if you're here right now, merong Dream High exhibition, mga Japanese baseball players na naglalaro ngayon sa Major League. At syempre, nandito yung exhibit ng idol ko, Shohei Ohtani. Ayan, ang Angels pa siya. Andiyan siya, yung cap niya. Oh my God, Certificate of Authenticity. Yan yung
Signed ball.
Signed ball ni Shohei. Ito nga sa exhibit ng Dream High Exhibition, naka-display talaga yung baseball ni Shohei nung naka 50th home run siya. May nagbabantay na guards guys, so very authentic to. Grabe! May waiting line for the picture of the baseball. Wow. Here it is. Shohei Ohtani's 50th home run baseball. Wow. Wow. The first major league player in history to achieve 50 home runs and 50 stolen bases in one single season. In a single season, guys. And this is the historic baseball. Ang dami actually areas na pwedeng for picture taking. Kaso against the light lang. So I think perfect dito kapag sunset. No, yung lunch kasi tayo, sobrang harsh ng ilaw. So that's my advice, guys. Yes. Hello, I'm with Emily.
Hello.
Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Hi, everyone.
Say hi, everyone. Say it.
Hi.
Welcome to...
Hi, Abby.
I'm Alicia. Tell my viewers, welcome to Tito Ted's vlog. Welcome.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Welcome. Say. It's okay. It's okay, Amelie. Can I kidnap Amelie?
Say bye-bye.
Oh, She wants to carry you too.
You want to carry you? You go to that.
Nahirap po siya mga very ano siya, comfortable po siya. Okay, social
Kiss, kiss.
social skills is very good.
So, na-explore na namin lahat sa Taipei 101. Daming picture-taking spots dito. We're on our way down kasi pupunta naman kami sa mall dito sa Taipei 101. Dahil yung iba magsha-shopping pero for lunch, nandun yung Din Tai Fung. And we all know na kahit na may Din Tai Fung na sa Pilipinas, dito nagsimula ang Din Tai Fung sa Taipei. Kaya we must eat Din Tai Fung here. So I'm with Amelie now and we're not in Din Tai Fung tulad ng sinabi ko. Kasi yun na nga, kapag nagta-travel ka talaga, hindi nasusunod lahat ang plans mo. But you just go with the flow para hindi ka ma-stress. That's the purpose of traveling, right? Why not, bakit ka masustress kapag hindi nasusunod yung itinerary mo? Ang importante, I'm with my friends, I'm with Randy, I'm with Amelie, I'm with Rika. And so dun nga, dahil 2 hours ang pila sa Din Tai Fung at national holiday ngayon, food court naman kami. So hindi ko sure kung mas mura yung food, but at least maraming food options. So tara, order na tayo. Let's go! Uber bro. Okay. Melee. So I'm getting my order from Melee. It's their best seller.
Busy kayo ang mga.
Dago ko yung cream.
Yung itlog, kimurag itlog ka lang. Pagkabata ka ako, itlog ka. Ako nanay.
Wala pa man po ni.
Paano ginawa ang scrambled egg?
Kamor?
Oh my God! Our Miss Bacolod! Miss, our Ilongga girl! Miss finally in the house! Ayan, kompleto na kami guys. So nagkita na ang mga sobrang Latina!
Latina. After 30 years.
After 30 years, Diyos ko, pinipilit nyo pang 20 years, 30 years. Almost 30 years. So, first time nyo magkita first time nyo magkita since high school. Sa Bisaya. Diba? O, diba guys, tinuruan ko pa kayo paano bumili ng train tickets. Ang ending, eto, taxi. So, sa mga tito at tita dyan, feeling ko naman afford nyo. Same lang naman yung taxi rate sa Pinas tsaka sa Taiwan. But of course, kung hindi lang kami tito-tita, pwede talagang mag-train. Very easy lang yung access, easy card, and then yun, mas ano naman siya, everything's accessible. So, we're on our way to Sun Yat-sen, yung first stop namin na di namin naabutan dahil wala kami. So, dun kami ngayon.
Papunta na kami.
Yes, see you there. So, this is the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall finally. Kasama ko ngayon ang sobrang Latina! Sobrang sikip! Monica! Si Doc AJ. Guys, na talaga namang late kanina kasi ang sikip-sikip daw ng kanyang pantalon. Kaya nagpalda na lang siya. Joke lang. We finally found the perfect spot to take a picture of Taipei 101 dito sa Sun Yat-sen. Dito lang po yan. Ayan o yung mga couples namin. Yan, they're taking a picture of Taipei 101 in the background. Dito siya, so kumbaga if you're facing Sun Yat-sen, right side siya. Yan. Ayan. Kumusta ang Latina natin? Okay ba yung picture, Latina? Sobra bang sikip or kitang-kita ang Taipei 101? Sobrang luwag, di ba? Slightly. Latina, sobrang sikip! Of course, there are also parks around Sun Yat-sen. Kaya kapag pagod na kayo sa paglalakad, ito, like itong mga Latina kong lovebird at Latino, ito, Shilin, and then yung anak ni Randy, ayan, running. Hi, Amelie, say hi! Hi, Amelie! Hello, Amelie! O, diba? Chill lang. Jump, Amelie! Hello, Amelie! Ayan, chill lang, chill lang. You can chill. Now we're on our way to Chiang Kai-shek from Sun Yat-sen. And now we're in Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. The iconic gate. Dito ka pa picture, masyado tong gate kani. Oo, mas dako. Of course, the couples. Went up sa Memorial Hall. Yung mga fit umakyat, yung mga tamad andito. Ayan, mga pagoda. Holiday
Hindi siya
mga
tanawon from there ba?
Oo, especially pag sunset. Tsada. Oo. So, group pic in front of the Memorial Hall. Alright, let's go! So, yun talaga guys, pag mag-group picture kami, dahil wala kami mga tripod, kailangan namin maghanap ng pwedeng mag-picture for us. And so, excuse me, is it okay if you take our picture? Yeah, of course. Okay guys, come here! So that's Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So it's really just a scenic spot where you guys can take pictures. And then trivia, nakapag-shoot na ako dito before. If you are a subscriber of I Want TFC, there's a series there called Taiwan That You Love. At nag-shoot kami dito sa Taiwan. That was in 2018, starring Barbie Imperial and Paolo Angeles and a Taiwanese actor, si Stephen Rong. So baka mamaya makipagkita sa akin si Rong Rong. Pero for now, eto kami, si Janet, ang aking camera woman. And we're going there sa iconic gate of Chiang Kai-shek. So doon, yung iconic gate na yon for more pictures. So yun, so even if politically medyo, you know, parang 50-50 tong Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, you know naman the politics of Taiwan, right? But of course, as tourists, iconic kasi siya. Sana hindi magalit sa amin yung mga Taiwanese friends. But ayun, it's a must visit spot here in Taipei, Taiwan. So let's go!
Ito ko'y gamay ka niya.
Diba?
Good job. Isura, gain ako kape, kilisot kayo mga titas. And then, nay, nagkuha na.
So trendy.
Okay na?
So new. Pamillennial post. So after picture taking sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, may isa kaming discovery. Di ba sa Taiwan nagsimula yung bubble tea? Yung inventor ng bubble tea, si Chun Sui Tang, isa sa mga stores niya, hindi ko alam kung tama ako, is nandito sa loob mismo ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Bibili kami kasi siya yung inventor ng bubble tea, so dapat lang tikman. 30 minutes kung masarap. Oh, but we're good. 30-minute wait. We'll order bestseller. Pearl milk tea, small? Or not medium? Medium? 9? 9. Shun Sui Tang. So guys, travel tip ko yan ha. Try natin. Masarap or hindi, at least natikman nyo yung original bubble tea. Finally, the OG bubble tea by Shan Shui Hang are here. Yes. Taste test. Since 1983. So in other words, the bubble tea was invented in 1983. So how was it? How's the OG? It's good. It's good? Just pure milk tea flavor. Nothing fancy, but really good. So we're just going to go back to our hotel. Recharge, refresh, and then we're going to have dinner sa Mala Hot Pot. So, yun pala yung tip ko sa inyo, stay in Ximending para mas nasa central yung location nyo. So, our hotels are in Ximending area. So, finally, after 1 hour of, resting or taking a nap, papunta na kami sa Mala Hot Pot for dinner dito pa rin sa Ximending area. And obviously, itong mga kasama ko, they're super recharged. Look at them with their red lipsticks. Nahiya naman ako, guys. Nahiya naman ako sa mga titang to. Ayan.
Talaga, you prepare for the night. Diba?
Super Latina. Super sikip. Super ganda.
Yes.
So, ito na kami ngayon sa Ximending. Mala Hot Pot. Recommended to ng local dito sa Taiwan na friend ko. Ano rin siya, sikat? I don't know what's in there. Hot pot. Sige na nga. And now we're in Mala. It's one of the famous hot pot chains here in Taipei. So pag nasa Ximending kayo, sa taas lang ng Uniqlo, 6th floor, right, Rix? Right. So, can you explain to my viewers the concept? The concept of Mala Hot Pot?
We got everything na dito, like veggies, gold, and then you can put in.
Yeah, noodles.
Noodles, you can also put noodles.
So anything lang in yung gusto.
Anything, you can, So normally, we put meat, kahit kanimang good, some of them cook faster, some cook slower. So you can put in the corn, for example, it cooks for later, mga ganyan. And then, ang meat ng good, it can overcook.
So, asa naman ang meat? Ordero.
Ang meat, if you order it online, kata ilang QR code. And then when the meat comes, so you can put in the meat and then, of course,
You have to pay for the kind of meat that you wanna buy?
they have three levels. So the basic one, and then the medium, and then the premium meats.
So is it per person or per group?
person.
Per person.
So it's all you can.
Okay. Okay. So eat all you can per person. How much is the basic one? 798 per person, NT. And eat all you can.
The corn.
Alright. So yun guys, medyo pricey, but if you're a foodie, I'm sure you like this.
So thank you. Here also.
Sarap guys. Actually, hindi na kailangan ng sauce, no?
Yeah, I agree.
Flavorful na siya. Pero mainit lang talaga.
Kaya nga hot pot.
Ano po?
It's hot.
Okay na kay galuto pa.
How is it, direct?
Wow!
Love it?
Wala pa mo boil lang.
It bursts in your mouth. That's really so sa akin.
Careful, that's very hot.
Sobrang sarap. Thank you, the Doc Jong and Hope. At least the experience ng isang JJ mo nung England Tiger. Kaya buda ako Of course, after dinner, we're here at the iconic Red House. This is also known as a bar area for LGBTQIA peeps and their allies. So I'm meeting my one of my actors in Taiwan That You Love here. So yan. So we'll just have a drink or two for nightcap. Okay guys, look who's here with me. Rong from Taiwan That You Love. How are you?
Very good. It's good to see Direct Ted.
But
I miss the Philippines.
But you're coming to the Philippines,
Philippines in
right?
June for the toy convention. 'Cause I'm
Okay.
a huge nerd.
In June. I'll see you in June.
Yes. I'll see you in June.
Thank you, Rong. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes. Meet my friend Cherry Grace.
Hi. How are you? Nice to meet you.
She's in Texas. Where are you in the US?
I'm from Virginia. Yeah. But I don't have a southern accent. Nice to meet you too.
Oh.